Guys, my name is James Brown, aka DJ Downtown the Drummer, and I'm here to talk about Collision Sticks. First off, I'd like to say I'm super thankful and super blessed to be part of this endorsement program and to talk about the product. I play in a band, Meet Me on Marcy, that's located in Scranton, Pennsylvania. We're a pop top 40 band that plays original music and covers. You can find all of our information at our Instagram, Meet Me on Marcy, on Facebook, The Brown Initiative, parentheses, Meet Me on Marcy, or at our website, thebrowninitiative.com/MMM. On those, you can find our schedule, you can see any sort of releases or projects that we have coming up. I want to talk about these sticks that I've been playing for the last 5 months. This pair in particular, I actually just switched out about 2 months ago. It's the Collision Stick 5A. Okay, so these things, they're absolutely unbelievable. Like I said, I've been using them for the past 2 months through rehearsals, recording sessions, and basically a gig at least once a week for the last 2 months, sometimes even 2 a week. And these things really stand the test of time. They're super durable no matter how much I lay into my cymbals, my drums, ride the tops of the bells. I mean, these things barely have any chips in them, and they sound extremely great. They're extremely versatile. They're lightweight. They have a short taper here that really gives them a nice equal balance of weight distribution, which allows you to fly and maneuver around the kit. And I honestly don't have to think twice at all, no matter what style or genre, BPM speed, energy, whether it's really heavy or kind of soft. It doesn't matter. I don't have to think twice. I know that these sticks can handle it, and they're going to allow me to do what I need to do and play the way that I need to play to help my band sound the best that it can. The third thing that I want to talk about, and I think this is kind of the most important one actually for me, is the grip of these things. You know, a lot of times we're playing 3 to 4 hour sets in nightclubs, on stages, local bars, outdoor venues, festivals, things like that. So, you know, as you're playing, drummers, you know this, you get extremely sweaty, your hands, sticks get slippery. You don't always have time to grab a towel or wipe your pants and just kind of, you know, regroup it and try to, you know, get that sweat or whatever it is that's on your fingers and in your palms, get it off so that you can have, you know, the best grip on your sticks to do what you have to do to keep your band in time and to put on a good show. So I just want to say that these sticks, I haven't had a problem or had to think twice at all during a show or a rehearsal or anything like that when it comes to my grip. They really sit really well in my fingers, in the lower part of my hand, and it's almost like they almost absorb, you know, the moisture that's going on. It doesn't just sit on the outside of the stick. It's like it's almost becomes kind of one with your hands, and I really love them, and I don't feel like I ever have any sort of second thought of this thing's gonna go flying and hit our guitar player or our singer in the back of the head. So I'm really loving what Collision Sticks has done with these, and I've definitely loved the 5As. I've also tried out the 5Bs with the extra long and just the 5B, the regular, not the extra length as well. They're a fantastic stick. I love them playing a little bit heavier music, but for the most part I stick them with the 5As. I'm actually going to play a song here for you guys. I'm going to play a cover that our band plays out at a lot of our shows. It's a song by Paramore. It's called Misery Business. I have a little bit of a different spin on the drum part. It's not technically the same as the original track. Not far off, but just has a little bit of my own taste in there. I hope you guys enjoy it. And again, I'd like to say thank you to Collision Sticks, and I'm super excited for this opportunity. Thanks, guys.